Well, how's it going, guys? Alexis here. This is my first video, and well, first video, so I don't even know what to say. This is my first video, guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys. I just bought a new car. And we're gonna go see one of the houses that I'm partnered with. We're gonna go take a video of it to show you guys. But look at this. Just got this week. Alright, I'll show more of the car in a bit. But let's get going. I have to go make this video real quick. Got the drone, the cameras. Let's go to the house and I'll do a showing of this house that we're selling. I'm not going to show much. This is it. We have this one for sale. Put the code in. All right, I managed to get the key. It's been a little while since I've been to this property, but here it is. We got the real fireplace. We got a section, and then we got the kitchen. Very nice. Go to the master. Outside. Oh, this house does come with 5 acres. I'll probably correct myself on the text, but it's a lot of land here. I'm gonna show you another little room, and then come over here, the entrance, go around. The office is right across this. And then we got another bedroom. We got the restroom, the bath. I really like those tiles. You can see we like our grays, whites, and blacks. Oh, you got the upper floor with the railing. I'll show you a bit. I'll go up there in a bit. 1 second. Hopefully this video is coming out good. I really don't want to come and reshoot just for this video, but I decided to come and make a whole walkthrough. You got storage. Little hallway over here. We got the washer and dryer, the water boiler here, little attic for storage, very nice. And we got the 2-car garage. I mean, you can maybe fit more if you have little cars. And you can fit like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smart cars. Very nice. I really upstairs. This can be additional bedroom or it can be a gaming room. I would personally do a gaming room, just as how big it is, just to keep all the noise and clutter up here instead. We got 2 closets or storage, either or. And over here too. We got outside. Let's see if I can open this. Yeah, you know what? Never mind. I don't want to mess up anything. Got a restroom, shower. Very nice. These are well sized, actually. Even got room for shelving or anything you want. You got the little windows. I might slow the video down. I feel like I'm going pretty quick, so I might slow it down now. Got another closet. Let's go down. You got the railing. Look to the outside. It's a hot day today in Texas. It's been cold all this week. I mean, not all this week, but these past few weeks. And it's finally getting hot. Sorry if I'm breathing through my mouth or keep making these noises. My nose is stuffy. These allergies. It's 73 today. Feels super nice. Oh, we got these iron doors. We got these custom made and very sturdy. Heavy doors. No one's gonna kick these doors open. And we got outside. We got some space over here to be grilling.
The King Grillster is about to flip his first patty. Ooh. Oh my.
You got some space over here to put some chair or table. Put a TV over here in the corner. Damn, do I really want to walk all the way back there? You know what? I'll show you guys a little bit. Let's take a walk. You can see full trees. Back there, there's a how many girls look at that house. Yeah. We're gonna get this house. So I'm gonna this one. I'll get it. I'll just sell it to my dad. You can see him. Just wait a few years. Don't work. Well, that was a quick overview of this house. I'm gonna show you the pricing. This house is selling for $769,999. 9999. 4 bedroom, 3 baths, 3,486 square feet, 5.22 acres. So it's a large lot. All right, guys. I'm gonna be honest, the main reason I bought this car was to do a future giveaway, but not yet. It will be a future giveaway, but not just yet. Maybe in a few weeks or yeah, give me a few months. Not that many, maybe two months, because I still want to do things to it. I just don't want to give it like that. I want to make it my own. and I have more. I want to do way more than just this, so I can't spill the beans yet. So make sure you follow. And this is something that I do. Houses on the side, but I do work a full-time job, so it is difficult to make these to make this video and have time to do both. But I'm gonna be showing you guys the other house. Where this channel is going is gonna be about houses, investing, cars, for sure cars, and racing, legal racing, and it's just everything that I do with my money and with my cars. This real estate, I probably really started about three years ago, and I really got heavily invested into it, and to the point where I opened my own company in the last year. So I've been really trying to get into this. I mean, you guys can learn. If I can do it, you can do it. If you are, this is something you do want to do. I've been doing a lot of homework, and everything is going well. I'm about to sell my first home under my company. It's gonna be listed this week as I'm recording this video. So hopefully that's a good sell. I will post info on that house when it's listed. So make sure you follow my Instagram and my YouTube. I appreciate it, guys, and peace.